Mian Sons Sanitary Store, College Road Township, Lahore, Pakistan. The name of trust and quality. The place where you can get quality products for your home and building. We proudly represent the brands we deal with. Faisal Sanitary Fittings, Rashad Sink, Porter Sanitary Ware, Veli Sanitary Ware, Hanko, Morgan Ceramic, Rancoli, Sunlight Ceramic, Zircon Sanitary Ware, KSW Ceramic, Sanitary Ware, National Jali, Splash, Italy Sanitary Ware and Bathroom Accessories, Warcat Sanitary, Roma Fittings. For more details contact 03214596 351 Mian Sons Sanitary Store.